Here we go. So we're live. Live 5:53. Oops, 5:54 now. Okay. Dice roll. Dice roll is 9. 9 roll. Okay. Go up here and take our names. This is a draft. And we're going to do this 9 times. Here we go. Randomize. Once. Twice. 3 times. 4 times. 5. 6. 7. 8. And 9. There's the order, guys. John Lynn with the lucky. Hey, he needed some good news today, guys. So that's good. I'm going to message him right now. And then Darren Hayes with 3 in a row, second, third, and fourth. Man, your luck is just crazy, Darren. You won all 3 Razzes to get spots for cheap. I think you got all 3 spots for the price of 1 spot. And then, man, second, third, and fourth. Congrats, buddy. I'm telling you, if you didn't buy lottery tickets, man, you should have listened to me. You could have been richer than you are now. All right. Oh, I got to finish the video. So there's the draft order. I just realized you guys can't see what I'm doing. It's a separate video, and so, yeah, I'm kind of blowing this for y'all, I suppose. What do I need to do? I need to hit done. 5:55. Uploading.